So we need to create a package with all of the views from one OBM in order to migrate it to another OBM. So let's see how we do that. So I opened my UCMDB browser, which is a standalone Java application, which allows me to connect to the resources I want. It's more convenient than using the Internet Explorer. And then, of course, you go to administration and then package manager, click on new, and we'll call it for OBM to OBM. That's going to be its name. Now we need to select the resources. Probably I need to enlarge this window if I can. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I probably can. Okay, and it is still loading. There are plenty of resources to extract from that OBM. So hopefully we will. And okay, configuration item types. Do I want to extract the types? So there is a reconciliation priority that I modified on the node. So the question is, do I need? And probably not. So let's go to queries and we'll see application to node factory. No, it's gonna be mostly on views. So in AOS, we have the AOS itself, and we're gonna select all of these nice packages which were created, and then one for Forester that we created earlier as well. So we got those covered. Okay, we have an enrichment row that we want to extract. We don't have anything here. Do we have anything in the policies? Also, type definitions, activity type assignment. No, state categories, adapters. We don't have any discovery. Let's see if we have users. Yes, and we want to extract viewer 1, viewer 2, and what else? No, that's about it. User groups, nothing here. Resource groups, no. Roles, do we have? Yeah, we have viewer 1 role, viewer 2 role, and we have sitecom dream roles. Okay, so we don't have anything over here. Tenants, role assignments, viewer, yes. Yeah. Basically everything that has viewer or AOS in it, that's what we need to extract. So there we go, that's the package, and it says, well, here's my summary, and let's finish. Cool, fantastic. So this is how you extract the UCMDB packages from OBM. So when you want to migrate, you need to do three things. What this is that I'm familiar with. One of them is extract everything that you have from UCMDB in order to import it into another instance. And we're specifically talking about going from one place to another, switching basically the functionality or the main OBM without having an integration between the two and some kind of an interaction. We don't want to set up an interaction. We just want to export the packages, import them over there, and continue our work on another environment and possibly discard this one when it's possible when we're done. So it was OBM to OBM. Let's see if I can find it over here. Okay, scrolling down a little bit. Yes, so this is an RDP across half of the globe, so it's not really fast for me. And then, okay, so a little bit up. And there we go, OBM to OBM. I think there is deploy packages to server. No, we need to export packages to local directory. Export directory. I'm just gonna say documents. Yeah, it's good enough. And OBM to OBM, export the whole package. Yes, please. And that's it. This is the exporting of the UCMDB portion. So what is remaining? I still need to export a regular package from OBM, and I need to export my workspaces, which is not very convenient, although I pretty much imagine people are not transferring workspaces from one system to another like crazies. They do it with UCMDB, they do it with normal configurations, for example, from staging to production, but definitely not workspaces, which is a very minor thing. So at least we have the functionality of exporting workspaces, although through CLI, which we'll do later. So I hope you liked it. Just click on thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more. I'm going to be very grateful if you do that. See you in the next one.